Hi, this is a quick screencast on Ostdomains, so for the Wayne Fraser emails. So if you logged into LastPass and you sign in, this will be automatically filled in. So let's do that. And once you come in, you can see that you've got some Acacia Grove and Wayne Fraser expires coming up. That's still a fair way off. So what do we want to do? If we go up here to email and come over to Wayne Fraser Premium Email Hosting, so click here. We are now in the Wayne Fraser email section. So this orange bar here, this tells you a few details about the account, but most things that you want to do are in this control panel here. So click on control panel. And in here we have email. And here we have the accounts. You can set up forwarding, auto-responding, and accounts. All the other ones you don't really need to worry about. So click on accounts. And you can see down here we have Tamar and Wayne. So here I can access webmail. I can change the password. So they're the main two things that you would want to do. So just clicking on access webmail, and then you are in. So that's essentially it for Ostdomains.